Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem your Swagbucks balance onto your PayPal account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Swagbucks application on your device and log into your account if you haven't done so already by using your account credentials or your social media accounts. Once you are logged into your account, you will be taken to the home page from which you will see the various different tasks that are available for you. Now, if you have enough funds that you would like to withdraw onto your PayPal account, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner and then tap on Redeem SB. You will then see the various methods by which you can withdraw your Swagbucks. Now, if you wish to withdraw using your PayPal account, then scroll down and you will find the PayPal option. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you can choose your desired amount that you wish to withdraw on your PayPal account. Go ahead and tap on your desired option and then tap on the redeem option, and you will be asked to enter your PayPal account information. After entering your payment information, proceed forward with the next button and you will be rewarded your amount within your PayPal account within 3 business days. And there you have it. That is how you can proceed forward if you wish to redeem your Swagbucks onto your PayPal account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.